Hi, today I want to show you how you can change the rubber boot for Toyota Hilux. This is the trench boot, and I like to show you how you can change very easy, very simple, very quick. One of these. Put this one here. Put this one here. This. Now, this side. Very simple, no? Now, turn this like this. Very quick, very simple, no headache. And that's it. Now, must clean this because it's full of grease, and put here some grease and put the clamps, and that's it. Very easy, no headache, no nothing. You can have a look. This procedure very simple and very easy. Thank you very much for the video.